Hi, I'm Nikhil Manchalwar from Intech Additive Solutions. Welcome to Forming Now. We are manufacturing metal additive solutions. We are the oldest Indian company manufacturing metal additive solutions for last 15 years. This is our new machine which has been launched, which is with 8 series. We call it Infinite series. And this Infinite series is basically for production, wherein you have batches and all those batches can be done with this. The cost per part can be reduced to 71% and the throughput can be increased by 6%, 6 times. Organizations are facing problems with conventional ways of manufacturing wherein they are not able to get really intricate parts, and this machine is able to do that with the help of infinite series lasers, and all those parts can be done very effectively, easily with the laser powder bed fusion technology what we have. Industries like aerospace, naval, defense, then dental and ortho. So these are some of the industries who have been using this technology across India and globally.